Hi, my name is Ricardo. I have been with Chiropractic First for the last 8 years. The reason why I came was because I had a lot of back problems, back hurts and neck pain. And one day while I was just passing a shopping center, I saw this sign about Chiropractic First. I popped over and decided to let the doctor, the chiropractor, try and do something for me. I noticed that after the first treatment, after seeing the x-rays and all that, I realized that the spine alignment of my body was not very correct. So, and that was the reason the doctor was saying that this was what giving me all the pain, etc. After the first massage, he did a couple of things for which I was pretty worried it would hurt, but it didn't. After the thing, it was quite okay, and it gave me a better feel after that. After a few times, I noticed that the alignment of my back, my neck, my shoulder, all was, I could see physical changes in me, and my overall health became a little bit better. I did not fall ill. The last time I used to get a lot of colds, flu, but now after this I managed to drag a longer time before I come down with the flu, and then the flu that I get is much less in severity than what I used to. For me, I would definitely recommend people to come and at least do some checks on their spine, because I know it plays a very big part in the overall wellness of a body, and Chiropractic First would be the best place to come.
I'm Cindy, and I'm actually with Chiropractic First for about 8.5 years. Initially, I had a condition called hyperthyroidism. So I was actually on long-term medication. And then my father's friend actually recommended me to chiropractic, to see if it can help me with this condition. And then along with that, I always have frequent headaches and stiff neck. I had to take long-term medication. So and then my headaches actually caused me, because I can have like headaches for the entire day, and I wasn't really able to concentrate on my work. After adjustments, my thyroid function actually stabilizes, and I was taken off from my medication. So that's one thing that I was very happy about, because I didn't really like the medicine. So and then my headaches were gone. So, and I actually feel a lot more relaxed, and I can actually carry on with my normal activities.
Hi, I'm Annie. I've been a patient for Chiropractic First the last 3 years, and I was recommended to come to Chiropractic First by my colleague. I was having constant shoulder blade pain and neck pain, and I was also on a lot of antibiotics. Like every month I used to go to the doctor because I had nose block or cough or something like that. And then when I tried to go to other hospitals for the Chinese chiropractic, the pins and all, and they just wouldn't do it for me. They said no, nothing is wrong with me, and maybe it's the aircon, maybe I'm just allergic. So a lot of medicines, a lot of antibiotics. Then a friend recommended that it might be because of the subluxation, the spine issues, and also I came to see Dr. Jill. I think first of all, the first year that I actually started seeing Dr. Jill, I can tell you that I didn't at all take antibiotics for the whole year. So my cough, my cold, my sinuses all seems to vanish for the whole year. Yes, I would have mild flu, but it would get recovered very fast. And of course, the pain, the constant pain that I had in the neck and the shoulder blade definitely decreased like substantially. Over time now, I just if I remind myself to sit properly, the posture, I don't have that much anymore. And the main thing that I didn't realize is that my posture was actually getting very bad over the neckline because of the constant working on the monitors and the computer. So that became very, very different, because you could actually see, like, with my long hair, people can't notice, but actually there was some bulging over here, and then after time you just see that this actually is going down, and it's all to do with the posture and the treatment that you're getting.
Hi, my name is Ida Riani. I've been coming to this chiro for the past 7 months. That's due because of I have sciatica, and it has affected my life, my daily life, working, walking, and even sleeping. During sleeping time, I always wake up in the middle of the night. Or if not, if something triggers me, I couldn't sleep properly. I have to sleep on one-sided on my right hand. I use half of my right body to sleep. That's because my sciatica is very bad. So even I went to the doctor, I have to wait for quite very long before I can manage to go for the ortho. So alternatively, I find chiropractic has been very helpful for me in my daily life. I came here through internet after I went sourcing up, and it has changed me tremendously. Now I can sleep well, walk well, and go to work as usual. But it's life-changing for me. Rather than I waste my life sitting at home, then I cannot walk. So it really has made tremendous changes, because I don't want to go for surgery. That is my main concern. I'm afraid of surgical. So I have to find an alternative way, and chiro has helped me a lot. Dr. Amanda also is a very supporting doctor, and she explained to me of all the pros and cons of my conditions, but they can help to rectify it instead of getting worse of my condition. That's why I'm very glad that I met this chiro for my medical.
I have scoliosis ever since I was primary 5, and when I went to the specialist, at first they told me to wear a brace so that my scoliosis won't worsen lah. And then after a few years they asked me to go for surgery because it was really serious already, and I didn't want to go for surgery because I was very scared. So my father's friend recommended this chiropractic, and it's a drug-free treatment, so I thought it's better than going for surgery. Because of my scoliosis, I've been getting lower back pains, and that has affected the way I've been sleeping. I haven't been sleeping very well. Even after the first treatment, I realized my posture has been getting better, and that's very nice to look at. And I've been sleeping very well now, like not that much lower back pain anymore.
Before I came here, alright, there was a lot of pain on my neck, a lot of neck area, and that also translates to the shoulder, and also some of the back pain, Then what happened is that it became worse in such a way that even I sit down for 10 minutes on the sofa watching the TV, and I can feel the muscle, very tense around that shoulder area. But even carrying something like 3-4 kg, like shopping bags, then especially my left arm will get tired very easily. I went to see my regular clinic doctor, and she advised me that better go for an MRI scan. Then my first MRI scan, was done, and then the doctor introduced me to a physiotherapist. I just go to the normal pet treatment, the pet treatment, and do some neck pull, that kind of thing, right? And after a few sessions, right, he said, that's done. I'm on my own again, right? So I went back to see the doctor again, and the doctor said that, hey, maybe the worst case scenario, you go for surgery. When I came here, with my old MRI and showed it to Dr. Joshua, and you look at it, you think he's able to go through this treatment. So went through the biological of the spine, how it happened. So my first treatment that this Dr. Joshua did on my neck, on my back, then immediately I can see there's a little bit of difference when I stand up. Straight away I can see, wow, looks like my body is lighter, I don't, when I turn my neck, I don't really see the stretch on my shoulder, the pain looks like it's not happening. So okay, I give the benefit of that, maybe it's psychological kind of thing, Then the second treatment, that's where I see, wow, looks like it's getting better, man. Right, I can sit for a very long time right now, you know, because my only worry is that if I travel a very long distance on a flight, whether can I take it, you know. So I've been doing sitting on the sofa. Looks like there's a lot of improvement since the day I stepped my foot into this first chiropractic with Dr. Joshua. I don't mind, you know, recommend to my friends because it's just not only stabilization of the spine, you know, trying to align the spine whenever you have a problem. It's just more than that actually, you know, goes into the functionality of the body to get a weak person to become a healthy person.